Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the tidal energy and biogas. What is tidal energy? What is tides? We have studied in the previous classes the rising and falling of water twice in the ocean in a is called tides. Okay, high tide and low tides. We have studied high tide and the low tides are also occurring in the ocean. Now, how tides are useful? Tides are useful. Many uses we have studied. Tides create makes the ships to come to the shore. Also, when tides occur, fish also come near to the shore, etc. So, from the tides we can also produce energy. So, energy generated from the tides is called tidal energy. Energy or electricity can be produced from this. So, energy generated from the tides is called tidal energy. It can be harnessed or collected by building dams at narrow openings of the sea. So when we can find where there is narrow opening of the sea, when tides occur, these regions dams can be constructed. So during the high tide, energy of the tides is used to turn the turbine. Turbines are constructed there so that this water or tides cause the turbine to move or rotate so that electricity can be produced from this. Russia, France and the Gulf of Kutch in India have a huge tidal mill farms. In Gujarat regions, Gulf of Kutch and also Russia, France, these are the countries produce largely tidal energy. Now coming to the biogas. So here also we know that the first tidal energy station was built in France, okay, in the world. Biogas, we know what is biogas. Organic waste such as the dead plants and animal material and animal dung also. Cattle dung, when the farmers are using largely the dung of the animals also for preparing biogas, okay. So dead plants are the waste of dead plants and animals material or animal dung and kitchen waste also, the garbage which is thrown from the kitchen also. These are all used or converted into a gaseous form or gaseous fuel which is called biogas. Biogas is obtained from all these waste materials only. Organic waste is decomposed. We know that these waste are decomposed by bacteria. When we are throwing outside also, this will be decomposed by bacteria. And in biogas, what we are collecting all this organic material and collecting in a power plant, in the biogas plant. Bacteria are decomposing all this waste material, so that it will be bacteria can decompose it in biogas digesters, which is called digesters, and emit biogas. From that we get biogas also, which is essentially a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. That is why we said that is pollution. It creates pollution. It creates greenhouse gases, okay. Even though it is very cheaply available, we can produce this biogas very cheaply, but it is a mixture of the gas produced from this is a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Biogas is an excellent fuel for cooking and lighting and producing a huge amount of organic manure also. So from the biogas we get electricity. We can produce gas is produced from this. We can make cooking purpose. We can use it for cooking purpose and lighting the houses, etc. And also we can use the waste obtained from this as natural manure. We can use for the agricultural purpose, okay. Now large quantity of biogas is produced in the rural areas in our country. Energy is everywhere, but we know that different types of energy we are producing, available large quantity of energy, but the problem is when we are consuming in a large quantity, many times we can find that energy is wasted. So once we waste the energy, there is no energy for the future. So that we need to preserve them, also utilize the energy in a sustainable manner. So that now when the fossil fuels get over, we need to find out non minerals such as non-conventional energy. Okay, so that we need to find out tidal energy. We have to make use of the tidal energy or solar energy or wind energy, etc. So these are all non-polluting energy also. So energy saved is which is generated. Energy saved is energy generated. So act now and make brighter future. Okay, because we know that when we consume more and more and waste the energy, there is no energy or sources of energy for the future generations. So when we consume, we have to think wisely and utilize it properly. Only for our necessary needs we need to consume energy.